How to upload content to Snapchat. Hi everybody, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you upload content to Snapchat. In order to upload content to Snapchat, you need to follow these steps. First of all, launch Snapchat on your device. Make sure to log into your account. After you're logged into your account, you could press the you could go ahead and take a video. If you want to go ahead and take a snap, you could just click on the circle icon right in center, right? Now that you've taken a snap or that you've taken a video, what next you want to do is just click on send to or maybe story. If you want to upload a content to story, then you want to select story and it's been uploaded. And likewise, if you want to send it to a friend, then click on send to and select the user to whom you want to send it. And this is the way you could upload content to Snapchat. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.